Hello, I'm Dr. Darnita L. Payton, and my purpose is to educate, encourage, and enlighten. Thank you so much for taking the time to stop by my channel today. I am so grateful that you are here. I am so excited. Today, I am starting a new series on my channel on hoarding disorder. Throughout these videos, we will talk about what hoarding is, what it isn't, myths and realities, treatment options, why people hoard, the history of hoarding, and just in general, what hoarding is all about. Again, so super excited. So these videos were birthed out of an almost 2-hour conversation with a dear friend and colleague. So I hope that you will enjoy our conversation and that you will gain some knowledge and some understanding and a whole heaping dose of compassion for anyone who is dealing with hoarding disorder, or if you yourself are dealing with hoarding disorder. So throughout the videos, I'm making this introduction because there may not be an introduction for each video, because again, this was just a conversation and my editing skills are not that great. So there may be an intro, but that's why I wanted to make this one to explain what you would see in the videos that were to follow. So please show me some grace if there isn't an intro or an outro, or if it looks as if I cut myself off or cut Dr. Hannan off mid-sentence or mid-thought. It's probably because I did. But again, I am so excited, and I hope that you will be educated and encouraged and enlightened by this new series. Please feel free to leave your questions and comments, and I will do my very best to answer them for you. So thank you again for taking the time to stop by my channel. And before you leave, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification. Do me one other favor, tell at least 5 people you know about my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. And if no one has told you today how awesome you are, I want you to know that you are absolutely, positively awesome. Take care. God bless. Bye.